Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Subaru BRZ. First, let's get acquainted with the car's interior. You'll find 3 pedals on the floor, the clutch on the left, the brake in the middle, and the accelerator on the right. The gear shifter is typically in the center console, and the parking brake is usually nearby. Take a moment to locate these essential controls before we proceed. Now, let's get that engine running. Ensure the car is in neutral, then press the clutch pedal all the way down with your left foot. With your right foot off the accelerator, turn the key or press the start button. Once the engine is purring, keep the clutch pressed and gently move the gear shifter into first gear. You're almost ready to move. To move forward, slowly release the clutch pedal with your left foot while simultaneously applying a small amount of pressure to the accelerator with your right foot. This is the trickiest part, finding the friction point where the car starts to roll. Once moving, accelerate a bit, press the clutch, shift to second gear, and release the clutch smoothly. Repeat for higher gears. When you need to slow down or prepare for a turn, downshift. Press the clutch, select a lower gear, and gently release the clutch. As you approach a stop, apply the brake pedal. Remember to press the clutch pedal completely to the floor just before the car stops to prevent stalling. Engage the parking brake once you're fully stopped and in neutral.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.